Hello everybody, um, welcome to another video. In today's video, well, I guess it's my birthday, so maybe I should do, special, I don't know, what are you supposed to do on birthday videos? I'm not gonna be doing a vlog, because I don't really want to show my face right now. I'm gonna be, maybe I'll do a vlog on my other channel, because I know more people on that channel, like, I've got to know them on Discord and stuff. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna be posting this video on both my channels, I guess, because I mean, it's my birthday, dog. I just got a roll. So my uncle showed up to my birthday, actually, guys. And what happened was, why is everything frozen except for, okay. So I'm gonna join another game, I guess. Anyways, guys, so what happened was my uncle showed up to my school, and pulled up in a Corvette. He owns a Corvette, so he's like, oh shoot, yo, I'm gonna pop up at your school. And so all my friends came there, and I was like, super shocked. And he's like, um, yeah, man, it's your birthday, so I'm gonna pick you up in a Corvette. And then half the kids in my class, like half the people in my class, were like, yeah, no, your uncle's not gonna show up in a Corvette. 10 seconds later, shows up, and they look like idiots. So yeah, that's what you get for not believing me. Oh shoot, I wasn't paying attention. Ah! Yeah, so far, and then after this, we're gonna go get some dinner to eat. My uncle's not gonna be there, sadly. I wish he was, though. He's a really nice guy. I can't remember, like, he has a YouTube channel, but what was that glitch, though? That glitch, though, did you just see that? I don't know if you guys can see my mouth. I think I turned the cursor off. But he literally slid underneath that box and just went to the other side. But he still died. That's good. Yo! Do you guys see that red guy on the left-hand side? Yeah, that's me. No, stop shooting, stop shooting. Please, no! No! I can't win a game on my birthday. My birthday's cursed. Actually, my French teacher gave me homework today. What an idiot. It's not a he, it's a she too, but she could really talk. She was my grade 5 teacher, so now she knows that I'm a troublemaker, so. Yeah, French teacher, whoever I kill is gonna be you. Just kidding, no. I'm not that cool, guys. If I what? Okay, so, often, I guess I glitched the game. Oh, that guy, yellow guy left, so it's a 1v1. Oh shoot, living life like I'm older, holy cow. Why does the gun look like it's actually 3D? I never noticed that it's supposed to look like it's 3D. Oh, there's like, oh, what? This guy has like God mode on? Oops. Yeah, you exposed yourself, dog. Yo, am I actually dealing with like a class 5 hacker? Dang, dog, all I can do is block. Holy cow, how is he? Was he trained on Stick Fight? I've only played Stick Fight like 2 times this year. So, take it easy, kid. Take it easy, kid. Take it easy. Yo, you wanna flipping goal? No! Oh my goodness, I swear I'm so irritated. Oh shoot. Probably not gonna record for that long, I'm saying, really. Like, all we did today, my don't it. And like, video. Okay, this video is now about this hacker. Dude, I legit just almost haven't. Yeah, dog, cause you hacking. Yo, actually. Dog, I feel like I should just quit, but I want to see if I can expose this kid. Yo, what the fuck? Sorry for my cursing. Oh, did I just curse? I just cursed. Sorry, guys. I did not mean to curse. I swear, I swear. Living life like we're older. Holy cow, he actually just... Okay, this guy's a legit hacker. How is he doing this? Watch. You guys see the things disappear? Watch, they're gonna disappear. Ah! See? Literally, you guys see that? You see this shit? Watch, he's gonna make that disappear. See? And he can fly. Like, he can hover. Nice. Yo, why is this guy actually hacking? I thought I would have a fun birthday today, but then... Yeah, see? Dog, like, actually, kid. If you're I gotta expose this kid. No joke. Oh! Him. Nani? Oh, yes, keep calm. Keep calm, you're about to no longer be gone? Yeah, so I guess I won against the hacker 2 times in a row. What the? Yeah, see what I mean? Yo, what is he doing? What is this guy doing? Actually, he just... Yo, he just flew underneath there and then... Nani? Yeah, I have the exact same reaction. Nani? Nani, please! He just made us fight. Oof. Wow. Wow. I swear, if he doesn't die... Oh my goodness. Oh, he's not gonna die, guys. I bet you he's not gonna be the one who dies. I'm surprised I'm actually raging just to this one guy. Sorry, guys. I've never raged in a game. Like, literally, this is the first time I've probably raged. Yellow guy won. Nice, dude. Crikey, mate. Yo, what is up, guys? Yo, let's beat this guy. Oh, no, 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 no. No, I thought I could take him down with me. I was trying to take him down with me and Yellow could win. Me and Yellow are on the exact same side pretty much, dog. Yo, me and Yellow need to team up on this fool. Or maybe he's not just hacking, he's just making things disappear. He's a magician. Well, I swear, I'm gonna play one. I'm gonna try and expose this kid. No, Yellow, me and you got a team, dog. Okay, he's dead. Yellow, I'm so sorry, my guy. You gotta go. Me. Oh, come on. No. Oh. I'm gonna actually. Shit. Oh shoot! What is it with me? I'm not trying to even. No, the. Oh no! Okay, I'm glad I didn't die to him because he has the phase blade, and I don't know what he can do with that. I don't want to. Oh, I thought I spawned in the wall. Legit. Yo, you guys just saw that, right? He just flipping phased. Her name is Julie Jen, but she don't know how to. Whoa! Dead. Oh, this guy dead? Oh no! Ah, boy, what? Nutty? Don't tell me easy lol. Maybe he's a hacker. Okay. Well, maybe I should just end this video off. Watch. Ready? Freddy Krueger. Just kidding. Yo, you guys see that? You can't get another jump in the midair. In midair. Yo, look! What the? I can't even do that. Oh, maybe I can. Huh. Fiction, cheddar, and surprise. Why me? Look at my guy. He's clearly dead. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. No, 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 no. So hopefully you all did enjoy that video. If you did like it, make sure you guys do subscribe and leave a like down below. Because we just found a flipping hacker, guys. We need your help. We need your help to stop the hacker. So leave a like, subscribe if you guys did enjoy. And this is MessyTuber signing out. Peace. I knew that DNA test. Yeah, yeah, yeah.